Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Today I am going to recite a poem by William Wordsworth, Nutting. We all know, particularly the students and scholars of English literature, how Wordsworth was a pantheistic poet. His poem, The Nutting, reveals not just his paganism or pantheism, but his mystical relationship with nature. And here I go. It seems a day. I speak of one from many singled out, one of those heavenly days that cannot die, when, in the eagerness of boyish hope, I left our cottage threshold, sallying forth with a huge wallet over my shoulders slung. Notice the alliteration, students. Shoulders slung. A nutting crook in hand, and turned my steps towards some far distant wood. A figure quaint, tricked out in proud disguise of cast of weeds, which for that service had been husbanded by exhortation of my frugal dame, motley accoutrement of power to smile at thorns and brakes and brambles, and in truth more ragged than need was, over pathless rocks, through beds of matted fern and tangled thickets, forcing my way, I came to one dear nook unvisited, where not a broken bough drooped with its withered leaves, ungracious sign of devastation, but the hazels rose tall and erect, with tempting clusters hung, a virgin scene. A little while I stood, breathing with such suppression of the heart as joy delights in, and with wise restraint, voluptuous, fearless of arrival, eyed the banquet. Or beneath the trees I sate, among the flowers, and with the flowers I played, a temper known to those who, after long and wearing expectation, have been blessed with sudden happiness beyond all hope. Perhaps it was a bower beneath whose leaves the violets of 5 seasons reappear and fade unseen by any human eye, where fairy water breaks do murmur on forever, and I saw the sparkling foam, and with my cheek on one of those green stones that, fleeced with moss under the shady trees, lay round me scattered like a flock of sheep. Again alliteration. Scattered like a flock of sheep, I heard the murmur and the murmuring sound in that sweet mood when pleasure loves to play tribute to ease, and of its joy serene, the heart luxuriates with indifferent things, wasting it kindliness on stocks and stones and on the vacant air. Then up I rose and dragged to earth both branch and bough, with crash and merciless ravage, and the shady nook of hazels and the green and mossy bower, deformed and sullied, patiently gave up their quiet being. And unless I now confound my present feelings with the past, ere from the mutilated bower I turned, exulting, rich beyond the wealth of kings, I felt a sense of pain when I beheld the silent trees and saw the intruding sky. Then, dearest maiden, move along these shades in gentleness of heart, with gentle hand, touch, for there is a spirit in the woods. For there is a spirit in the woods. My friends, I hope you enjoy this rendition. Thank you.